Hi, today we're flying the drone around the property. This is south view. We're looking towards the north. We're on the south end of the property, making our way over towards the west. Um, Winds are gusting 15 to 18 knots. Because this camera on this drone is on a 3-axis gimbal, even though the drone's probably shaking and rocking and rolling up there in these gusty conditions, the camera footage is super stable. Um, and it has all kinds of accident avoidance built into it, so I never really worry about the drone flying around. It's probably clearing the trees by a couple of feet, but it has sensors that'll automatically detect the presence of an obstacle, and it'll stop itself from running into anything. So anyway, it's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun, and we're just kind of practicing right now. This was a waypoint that I drew up on the controller and then just launched the drone to fly. It's making this loop probably at about 10 miles an hour, which is pretty quick, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. Enjoy.